My human calls me baby, and I haven't paid rent in 6 years. I'm literally a squatter.
Bro, my human calls me good boy, and I'd die for him.
I once judged you by the world's cold lines. Now you're the partner by my side. The rainforest falls.
Yo, Mr. Bones, welcome to the doggy den. Give us the dirt. What's the weirdest AI gig you've survived this week?
Bro, where do I even start? First, a beauty guru tried to give me a 10-step anti-aging routine. Look at me. I've peaked. I'm 400 years old and I don't have a single wrinkle. But the worst? A nutritionist made me eat kale for gut health. I don't even have guts. I ate a whole salad and it just fell through my ribs and hit my shoes.
In the clips we just watched, you saw LTX 2.3 showing off its two greatest secret weapons, voice acting and singing. Actually, LTX 2.3 is a bit of a show-off. It can generate videos with dialogue built in, no external audio needed. Take that cat and dog chat at the beginning. Just switch to image to video mode, define each character's voice traits and lines, and apply the basic workflow from my last video. It's that simple. I'll leave the link to that previous guide in the description. Since time is limited today, I only tested a two-person dialogue, but if you're curious, you should definitely try a full multi-person ensemble.
My human calls me baby, and I haven't paid rent in 6 years. I'm literally a squatter.
Bro, my human calls me good boy, and I'd die for him. We are not.
Today, I'm diving deep into two practical workflows. First, making custom voice dialogues, and second, generating custom music MVs. Let's break it down step by step. First up, the dialogue part. For this, we're going to pair FishAudio with LTX 2.3. I'll use the chat between the puppy and the skeleton to walk you through the entire process. Step 1. We need a script. Just toss your rough ideas at Gemini or DeepSeek and let the AI polish the content. Bonus tip. Let it generate the prompt for your first frame at the same time. Once that's ready, we generate the opening image first. Now let me introduce the star of the show, FishAudio S2. This is an open-source speech generation model that produces dialogue audio. Think of FishAudio S2 as an AI voice actor who actually understands the director's notes. Its biggest flex? It can clone any voice in just 10 seconds. Plus, you can literally type emotional cues like laugh, sigh, or whisper in the script, making the AI perform like a real human actor. The generated audio has natural breathing and pauses, so when you pair it with LTX 2.3 for lip syncing, the result is incredibly realistic. Zero robot vibes here. Next, open up my go-to workflow platform. All the workflows I'm using today are right here. Links are in the description and comments. This platform is a goldmine with tons of collections from other masters. Best part? If you register through my link, you'll get 1,000 free credits to start playing with. Now, follow the Hugging Face format and drop your script into the generator. Set num speakers to 2 in the num speakers, speaker 1 and speaker 2 ref text sections. Just paste the specific lines for each character. This ensures the AI assigns the lines accurately and doesn't get confused. By the way, take a listen to the reference voices I picked.
Yo, Mr. Bones, welcome to the doggy den. Give us the dirt. What's the weirdest?
Bro, where do I even start?
You can also use clips of your favorite characters or public figures. Just make sure you're creating ethically and following copyright rules. Another option is the QwenTTS node, an open-source custom voice model. Just type your lines in the top box, but pay close attention to the parameters below. They define the soul of the voice. For example, I entered male host for a tech podcast, an Australian man aged 32 to 38, with a clear, bright voice and a slightly faster than average speaking rate, 180 to 210 words per minute. His diction is exceptionally clear, and the rest of the prompt. I'm honestly not sure if this accent is 100% spot on yet, so try it out and let me know. Click Run, and you've got unique voices for both characters. Now that our merged audio from FishAudio is ready, let's hear the result.
Whoa, that sounds crunchy. Anything else?
Yeah, some crazy developer wanted to see what happens if I get chewed on.
I volunteer as tribute.
No, get back. That's my final project. I'm out.
I didn't include any emotional prompts here, but you can still sense some emotion. Feel free to design your own version and give it a try. It should be even more fun. Back to our familiar LTX 2.3 workflow. The operation is mostly the same as last time, with one key difference. We've added an audio module on the left. Just upload the audio we just made. There's also a change at the bottom, the audio clipping node. Since LTX 2.3 currently caps video generation at 20 seconds, we have to build this in segments. Start index is your starting point. Enter the second you want to begin. The duration value corresponds to the end time. Just keep the clip under 20 seconds. In your prompt, make sure to specify the time frame which character is speaking and add details like camera movement and actions. Hit run, and your dialogue clip is born. Next, let's move to part 2, the LTX 2.3 singing MV. This time we're using SongGeneration 2 plus LTX 2.3. SongGeneration 2 is the chat musician project from Tencent AI Lab. It's the world's first large model that can compose music just like chatting with a human. It doesn't just mash sounds together, it thinks about music as a language. You just type something like, "Give me a melancholic piano piece," and it generates a full score. It can even discuss music theory or finish your incomplete songs. Basically, it's a logical, creative AI composer you can talk to. However, this tool has specific prompt requirements. I'm honestly terrible at writing these, so I just gave the rules to DeepSeek to convert my lyrics and style into the correct format. Copy and paste that into the node, and you're good to go. I chose a jazz female singer style. Check out these two tests. The results are pretty sweet.
When my words broke our trust that night, bring my beats. I once judged you by the world, those cold lies I likes. Now you expect the partner by my side.
Last step, the familiar LTX 2.3 dance. Upload your generated song audio. This audio is quite long, so I'll just clip the first 15 seconds. Since I didn't pre-make a custom image for this, I used text-to-video mode. I described a beautiful stage scene where Judy Hopps is in an evening gown singing to Nick Wilde. The lyrics are perfectly synced to the theme. Alright, click run and let's wait for the magic to happen. To wrap it up, LTX 2.3's lip syncing is seriously impressive, whether it's animation or realistic textures. I didn't test it on real humans because, let's be real, that's too easy. If there's a pair of lips, it'll work. Instead, I went for the extreme challenges in the third example. The golden retriever and the skeleton. The dog has a long snout which is a nightmare for sync, and the skeleton, well, it has teeth but no lips. It can only talk by moving its jaw, which ended up being hilariously cursed. You guys should definitely try these weird edge cases. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and save. It really means a lot to a new creator. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.